What did you do that for?
'Cause you were asking for it.
No, I wasn't.
Your ugly face sure was. And by the way, your tower's not very structurally sound.
No!
This was such a good idea. It is way too nice out to miss the summer vibes.
Totally. Oh my gosh, we look so cute.
Selfie time! Cheese!
Just leave me alone for once.
Them again.
Them? It's your weird brother that always causes this trouble.
I should really go help, shouldn't I?
No, just pretend you didn't hear him.
Sammy, please!
Ugh.
See, he can figure it out for himself.
I'm gonna go get him.
She's too cool to worry about that dork.
Everyone hates me. Even Sammy.
I don't hate you. I just couldn't get there in time. Look, I know it's hard seeing everyone like me and no one liking you.
You really think no one likes me?
No, people like you. You're just different.
Get them to give me a chance, Sammy. Please? They all think you're so cool. Maybe it'll help if we hang out together.
And he was all, wah, I'm a little baby. And we were all, shut up, dweeb. It was awesome.
Yep, that's exactly how it happened.
Hey guys, I found Hemi.
Oh, yay.
Do you, mind if he hangs out with us today?
What?
And why the heck do you want that?
Because I think you guys didn't give him enough of a chance.
I've never played this before. What are you supposed to do?
It's called dodgeball. You figure it out.
You can do it, Hemi.
Ford Hemi versus Ratty and Sammy. Begin.
Nice dodge, I guess.
Years of hiding from bullies is finally coming in handy.
Well, don't just stand there. Try getting some out.
Oh, okay. To hit people.
Obviously not a girl, and not right in the face.
Let's just try another activity. How about writing a song, right? We're all Sprunkies. We're good at that. Let me start us off. Hemi, your turn.
Nope, nah. That's the worst thing I've ever heard.
This guy's useless.
Come on, guys. Give him a chance. There's got to be something he can do, right?
You know what? Yeah, you're right. He can help us pull off a little prank I've had for a while.
You want me to ding-dong ditch Black?
You distract him, then Ratty can run in and steal his book.
And you're sure he won't, like, murder me or something?
We're pretty sure.
Come on, Hemi. Don't be lame. Just do it.
Here we go.
lair. Trying to break in? Stupid, pathetic prankster. Get off my property!
Bulakkan
Got it.
kaldı.
Let's get out of here. It's like a sleepover game.
A sleepover game that could get one of us cursed or killed or something.
High stakes make it interesting. Semi, are you good? You look kinda zoned out.
Huh? Yeah, sorry. I was just worried about Hemi. I thought we would have seen him by now or something.
Well, thanks, Sprunky, we haven't. He'd find a way to ruin everything like always. Your brother is the worst.
Yeah, he is.
Anyways, what spell do we want to do first?
I can't really read any of this stuff.
I'll try then. Well, who knows? Maybe I've been a witch all along. Sammy, do you want me to put a